Steve Zirkle. I'm a 15-year resident here at the Eagle Branch Villas, which is a series of 9 buildings, 18 different villas that are deluxe, and 2,500 to 3,000 square feet in occupancy. So we wanted a relationship that had more than just a one-shot deal. What we were impressed by, to come back to your question, was the detailed approach that he did to things. He didn't do anything halfway. It wasn't just word of mouth. There was actually proof of what he was saying. We really appreciated it. We wanted to be with somebody that would continue the quality that we felt we had bought into. The biggest benefit, I think, is the 18 owners out here are just thrilled with the quality of the work, the appearance, with the fact that they come in and do the work in a day or two and are out of there. They give us very clear instructions as to what to expect and how to react on that day or two of work. Attention to detail and the dedication that you have towards that's the part that goes on day after day after day. Evidence and the criteria that's given saying this is what you need and the proof of it. We really appreciate that, and I think everybody's very comfortable. There's no question in my mind today finding sources, and I've had a little bit of experience as president of the association of finding sources for work that used to be done yesterday by reputable people, and finding reputable people that continue in the business year after year is a lot harder today than it used to be. So in the instance of Wilson, we feel confident. We know he's going to be here tomorrow. We know he's going to get repairs done as needed. And when the next roof is ready to be installed, we know he's going to be competitive on price. He doesn't have to beat the lowest price. We're not asking for that. We're asking for the best work. The workmanship relative to flashings and those kinds of things. All of our old roofs were okay, but leaks were caused in areas where the workmanship wasn't involved. Anybody can go out and buy good shingles. All roofers can do that. They can go to the store and get them. But the installation and the flashings and the rest of the criteria that goes with putting the roof on correctly is really what makes the difference between what Wilstone does, I think, and a lot of others don't.